9 to 5 crap is for the birds. I'm so tired of making money for somebody else. I mean, seriously, I'm just trying to earn some money, get some money in my pocket. You know what I'm trying to say? Let me think. Jenny has been a really great help to me. I wonder if she has any more tricks up her sleeve. But I don't want her to get annoyed with me though. Let's check with her ASAP and we'll see. Hey Jenny, how's it going?
Hi Shelly, everything's great around here. How about you? What made you call me, by the way?
Well, I recently tried all the things that you told me about to earn, but I'm just tired from work. So I wanted to see if you had anything that's kind of fast and easy to help me make some money and put it in my pocket. I'm looking for fast and easy methods that I can do now. Do you have any ideas?
Of course, Shelly. You know I do.
Oh my goodness, that is so great. Okay, what do I have to do in this one?
Well, for the websites I will share with, you will test out different websites and application they ask of you, and you will earn more from that.
Woohoo! Just like that?
Yes, Shelly, just as easy as that. And you can earn a ton of money already.
I'm really intrigued. Can we talk about this now?
You always call me at the wrong time, Shelly. I am currently at work. Let us get on a call when I get home, alright?
I'm sorry, Jenny. I just really need to earn,
No problem, Shelly.
So, can I do my intro before we start?
Go on, Shelly. See ya later.
Yay! Thank you, Jenny. See ya. Hey, friends! Alright, one of my favorite side hustles that I love to do making money online is simply watching videos. And I bet you could probably find every single way on my channel. But this is a new method that, oh my gosh, I could not wait to show you. Are you ready for it? You ready to put that money in your pocket? Say yes, Shelly, yeah. All right, well, you know what? Let's get into some video. But first, have you subscribed to this channel? I do everything I can in my power to research and find you some great money-making ideas to help you make money online. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way, you're not gonna miss any of this. Okay, maybe not this, but still. All right, let's go.
Hi, Shelly. Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
That's good to know. Well, are you ready?
Heck yeah! Let's do this, Jenny. I'm really excited.
That's great. Let me bring you to our first website. So we are now here on the first website that I will share with you, Shelly, which is known as Userfeel, and which can be found at userfeel.com, wherein right here it says on their homepage, a better user testing tool with no subscription or monthly fees needed. Get better insights from our panel of high-quality testers without an expensive subscription, from $60 per user test. What I love about it is that it is trusted by over 500 organizations around the world, in which they show it to you in the slideshow right down below. Not only that, Shelly, look at this. They have over 140,000 qualified testers from all over the world, and over 500 happy clients who use Userfeel for a better website or app.
That is remarkable, Jenny. I kind of like this website, but how do you register on it?
I thought you would never ask, Shelly. So before going with that, let us first scroll over to the bottom of the page and click on Tester FAQ, which will bring you to this page, wherein it states that when you decide to actually become a tester around here, you will then earn $10 for each test that you accomplish. The great thing is that each of these tests will not take too much of your time, as it will only last about 10 to 20 minutes and can be completed with your home computer or smartphone. They also have a demo video on the right side. And just down below are a couple of instructions to follow for this website. And look at this, Shelly. There are things you should and should not do. So don't forget to read this yourself, okay? I know you sometimes forget a lot of things.
Hey, I do not. That is so not true.
I know you too well. You can also see that they will pay you straight through PayPal or even with Amazon gift cards. Pretty cool, right? So just scroll down to the very bottom and click on Become a Tester, and it will bring you to the page wherein you have to fill up all your information, and there you go. You can already start.
Wow, that's amazing, Jenny. But you said there's going to be 5 websites that you're going to show me? So that means that there's still 4, right?
Yes, Shelly, and trust me, you will love each website, as I will go in sequence of the highest paying ones. So just be patient, okay?
Of course, you got it. I'm so excited.
So for our second website, which is over at userlytics.com and is known as Userlytics. So for this one, this is also a very huge and trusted website all over the world that you can use to earn. They actually have over 1.1 million users around here. And down below are some huge companies that trust this website a lot, which makes it more legit. And some features of their website are also shown here. But our focus is to actually become participants and get paid around here. So let's focus on that. Go on to the very bottom and click on Be Paid to Participate right here, which will bring you over to this page, wherein, as I said, you get paid to test websites and apps. So you will have to first register and earn money by completing the short and easy form on this website. Then, interact with a web or mobile app or other type of digital asset and speak your thoughts and emotions out loud as you do so, and answer a few questions. And as I mentioned, you will get paid via PayPal, which can be around $5, $10, $15, $20, or other amounts, and can even reach up to $90. You can just put your email address around here and easily sign up. And hey, you can also download this on your phone, Shelly.
I am really enjoying all these websites that you're sharing with me, Jenny. I can't wait to see more.
We're not even halfway, Shelly, and you are already loving it. And I am sure you will also love our next 3 websites. Let's proceed, shall we?
I know, right? Let's go.
So we are now on our third website, which is known as TestingTime and can be found over at TestingTime.com, wherein it states that we recruit you research, a few steps away from talking to your audience all around the world. So basically, this is another website that will pay you to just test different websites and applications that may ask of you. And there are also a lot of features around here, including some companies that also trust this website. But for now, we will apply as a tester here. So go back to the top and click on Become a Tester right here, which will bring you to this page. And then, you just have to click the button Sign Up Now. And it will bring you to the page wherein you need to fill in all your personal information in order to earn right now.
Wow, 3 websites that are free and easy to use and that can earn me a lot of money. What can I ask for?
Well, you could ask for our last 2 websites though.
Ha 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 ha, you ain't wrong about that.
Stay with me, Shelly, as these last 2 websites are 2 of the highest paying websites when it comes to user testing. So just follow me, okay?
What are these last 2 websites anyways, Jenny?
So for our 4th website, it is actually known as TryMyUI and can be found over at TryMyUI.com, wherein it says, watch videos of real people using your website and find out. Get your first 5 user test results free. And also, down below are some great features of this website and also some companies that trust this. This is what I always make sure when I share to you this website, Shelly. They should be trusted by huge companies so I can also be confident it is legit. Do you agree, Shelly?
Of course, totally. But hey, how do I get paid on this website?
You really are a straightforward type of person, Shelly. I love it. So now, click on Get Paid to Test right here and it will bring you to this page. So you will actually get paid around $10 for each test you take, which just lasts approximately 20 minutes. Over on the right, it says that there's no limit on the number of tests you can do, but expect to get a few each week. This is definitely not full-time work, just a way to make a few extra bucks doing something fun in your spare time. The great thing is that they send your payments out every Friday through PayPal. Tests are cleared for payment after being reviewed and accepted by our graders. So just fill in all your information around here and you are set.
Wow, Jenny, time flies by so fast. Are we really on our last website?
Yes, Shelly, this is our last website for this video. So just follow me, okay?
I don't want this to end, Jenny. I want more websites. I want more websites, Jenny.
You are really persistent. I can add more on the next one if you need more. Don't worry. So on our last website, this is actually the highest paying of the 4, as this is very popular and familiar to a lot of people. We are now here on our last website, which is known as UserTesting, and which can be found at usertesting.com. You can see it says, experience what your customers experience. Within a few hours, get the human insight you need to deliver exceptional products, services, or brands. And if you scroll down below, it will show you some companies that trust this website and all of its great features. Now click on Get Paid to Test over on the top right corner, which is our main focus, and it will bring you to this page, wherein it states, get paid to share your perspective with global brands. Earn a little extra money in your spare time by helping brands build better products and experiences for people around the world. So how it works is that you first apply, then browse, test, and then make money after. Right here are again the companies that trust this website and some analytics about it, wherein it says that they have over 2,000 customers around the world, 40 countries represented by our contributors, and over 1.4 million tests taken in 2020. So just then click on Request a Trail right here, and you can fill up all this information and you're done.
Wow, Jenny, just wow. I mean, you went out of your way to show me not one, but 5 websites. Jenny, I really don't know how to thank you.
Well, you can buy me expensive food when we see each other personally. How does that sound?
Well, that would be no biggie. You actually helped me out, so I would love to do that for you.
I was just actually fooling around. But hey, you said it, not me, and I don't want to miss out on free food. See ya, Shelly. Take care out there.
Dang it, you got me there. But yeah, wait till I see you again. Thanks again, Jenny. I appreciate everything. All right, friends, did you like the video? If you did you like literally click like to like the video? But you know what? I love the videos about watching videos and making money online. It's really one of my favorite side hustles. And I like side hustles so much because that is what helped me. I am a single mom and I lost my job. I had a whole great job at a huge company and my entire IT department got laid off. So here I am, terrified, being a single mom. What am I going to do? So I started my own side hustle, learned everything about it, and now I have my own business. And you know what? I want the same thing for you. And this is why I do what I do, because I know I've gone the path. And in my path, it was hard and it was tough. I had nobody to help me and I had no one to show me the way. So I want to be the one to just erase all the stuff that I had to go through over the last 4 years. So now I want to be able to help you. And you're not going to go through all that. We're going to start you off way over here. And it's really simple, guys. It is the first link in the bio. And you're not going to see Shelly on this video and think, oh, there's no more of Shelly. No, because I'm here for you. I'm here to help you. So really, if you have a 9-to-5 that you hate and you're ready to get out of it, or you were laid off just like me, or you're just a single mom and you're struggling like I was, I promise you, this is it. It's the first link in the bio. If you have any questions, you can leave it down in the comments, and I promise I will answer every single question. All right, guys. If you liked this video, then I'm sure that you already subscribed, ring the notification bell so you get notified, and then you're gonna watch the next one. Because if you liked this video about watching videos and making money online, then you're gonna love what's up next.
Flashback.
Ah!
End of flashback.